This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, biggest selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, August 14th, 2018. This one here I gotta go hook up a kitchen sink. I guess she had a new countertop put in, and the guy said that should probably call a plumber because he hooked it up. He hooked it up and he said he didn't really do that good of a job, or he's not a plumber type of thing. So it might be interesting to see what it looks like. So she said she needs a plumber to go hook it up properly. So that tells me it's not done right.
3/4 of a mile. Turn right on Chase Road.
Looks like blue tape. Should have used duct tape. I mean, that would have probably worked. What do you think? Duct tape. Probably just not lining up properly. It's on the wrong spot. Oh, she's cattywampus. I'll be able to cut it and just put a clamp on it or something. What happened there? What the hell did this guy do? Look at that. Shit, yeah, Mom. Probably gonna do it. I'm gonna make a slice back there, and we'll move it back and line it up. We'll be able to, you know, give it a little jockey if we gotta, or do something with it. Can't leave it like that, that's for sure. No good. That's no good. We left the flipping piece down in there. So we could probably make one cut right here and put a clamp right there and be able to move that over and put a longer piece on that. Longer tail piece. We'll be able to fold it in. I'll make one cut right here. Cut a section out and put a clamp right there. That should take care of it. The faucet I tightened up. He didn't have that gasket on the bottom. I had to take it all apart and put that gasket on there for her. It's tight now. Faucet's not going nowhere now. Yeah, so we'll make a cut right here and put a clamp on it. We'll get another 1.5 inch to Senko, glue it on there, and a longer tail piece. It'll be good. I'm gonna go over quite a bit, so I had to cut a section out here. It'll be fine right there. We'll put a longer tailpiece in this. The Senko, engine out the Senko, and a clamp there. It'll be fine. She's loose as a goose, Mama. I gotta go around again with it. For some reason, I don't know why it's so loose, but I don't want to leave it like that. I clean the job. Alright, that's better. Man, if I ever have to drain, snake this drain, I'll make a cut right here so I can get the snake down there. It's just not an easy one. Didn't really want to go around one more time, but times you gotta make it happen, Mama. Cleaner. And then the glue. I gotta get some more glue. Glue's getting a little crusty there. She's a little crusty. You alright? She's loose as a goose, Mama. She's loose as a goose. That don't look good. That's a white metal nut. I don't like that. I'd rather put a brass nut on there if I can. I get a brass nut for it. 1.5 inch slip knot. That's what you want. Put a hi-hat washer in there, like that. And that should work better. That strainer, she said, was put in when the sink came. It was already installed. That's gonna be tight, or it's gonna leak. It's gonna be tight. The whole thing's spinning. Flipping people, I'll tell you, you know. I don't know if you put any putty under there or what the deal is. Let's hopefully you'll be alright. Alright, that should be good. We'll just cut that because that's a little on the long side. So we need to be, and we'll give it the old chopperoo, Mama. Give it the old chopperoo. Alright, so somewhere. I don't want it like that. I mean, that's long enough, right? So we can loosen up the top. Get that glass. Well, they make these straight 1.5 or 1.5 by 1.25. You know, for a bathroom sink, this would be 1.5 by 1.25. This is straight 1.5. Like so. We'll put the clamp down the bottom down there and We'll give it the old Jed Clampett. We'll give it the old Jed Clampett. Now I could glue a coupling on there if I wanted, but this is a better setup. You could take it apart if you had to and put the top together first. Make sure that fits in there good. And then we could always do the clamp last, right? In case it moves or does a jig. It does the old funky chicken dance. You know, just never know. We'll tighten that up first, and then we'll tighten up the bottom. Give it the old Jed Clampett, Mom. Oh yeah. That thing will never leak. What's good about that is you ever have to get it apart, you know, and just take the clamp out and just take the clamp out and get it right apart. For service reasons. I'm surprised you don't have a dishwasher here. Well, she's got one, but it's not hooked up over here. It must go down in the basement. And the last joint to do, and we could give it the old filleroo. See what happens. See if it leaks. Next time the guy should use duct tape. Maybe that would work. Yeah, I don't see no leaks. Thing seems to be draining kind of slowly, doesn't it? No vent. See how it's bubbling? That's why it's going down slow. There's no vent. There's no vent to it. Alright, as long as I don't have any leaks, that's all I care about. See, it goes over. I don't think there's any vent. It's taking it, so that's all I don't care about. There she is. There she is. Are you doing the dance? Oh, yeah, I know it. You're doing the dance. Push over. You miss me. Oh, I know you did. I know you did.